Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to check the information about next service. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you should find and select the car icon. As you can see right here, you can select one of the following menus. So let's choose the last one, the vehicle information. So let's just tap it. And here you've got 3 tabs, but let's focus on the first one, which is vehicle. And you've got here information about your maintenance. So maintenance information displays when the car is next due for a service. So in my case, next maintenance due is in 14,000 kilometers. So I have enough time for the next service. It's important to check out those information to save your guarantee and to make sure that everything is alright with your car. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.